Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwan dwumadi so dia wo kansi ho sempa esa kena no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back ope the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na me kono kwanten kode small do ensa kena no pensu biu e wo Ghana goodiem 8 major channel so man say 1x bet I've always told you that betting there is better than saka wo twa ne before din before twa ne kuma bi odi ne kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo yere wo ma wo fasefo na nanom ukrum no mpnafo nyina say betting 1x bet na ma boys enyo mo financial freedom fa ho jim na mwa emanema entwen ku infama na mum bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yere enyo ya no eno ani di twa bet we na chi per bet dia 1x bet and what dance here and amidi e dia ma no jifas message do titahwi infections e do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so deep on natural on set me ka jifas etimi boa proper ahrawa na obra bo ma otimi di nchine bomodian da for niche herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops nemu on sabetia ka jifas message do ebetia boa emaniama etia tutu ye e dia ma sedimo gel roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel for pampa so be pimo na se do ba ku 2 year pain ase no sedimo gel roll-on kwa shamana me market on sabetia ka bitema so nyina ho obetia from 02082199129 na on sedimo gel roll-on from pain for intwitwen komo na on sentiment cancer product bi we mu ene sponsors ni mu tutu to ni ehwetwe twa mo techira boa emena no penso dia wo kense mu sempa ensa kan 8 major a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step Piencha CMF UEFA Champions League final no Inter Milan wom ene Man City ene dia kense ni etua boss 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na Man City aposo atena ba ko ma ohwese na nema ACT a Inter for ekonwene ne sin Adom e wo sa dwumedi etuensa PMT 2023 Champions League final no na ese Badwam Sporting Club and Etime Peja Frank and Ejena Kunkun after the 2023 Ghana Premier League no woman and ra ya crown am say champions the trophy in 18 mom the first ever coach who lead Badwam Sporting Club and Momatima J Premier League title no Evans Adoti na also Eden Kumo Hakraja after say omunya victory no
I was brought here on a mission, and the mission was, it was halfway the season. The mission was to make sure Midiama win the title. Lo and behold, my mission is fulfilled. That is why you can see I'm highly excited. David Duncan started the journey. He left along the way. Umar Abdurabi came. He left. How difficult was it for you to win the title?
They were sacked. They didn't leave.
Nobody should blame David Duncan. Nobody should blame Omar. They did a yeoman's job. They started. I came in the halfway. So it doesn't mean I just came and won the cup. They gathered some points. And then I also continued until this final day. So the congratulation is not meant for me alone. It is a collective congratulations. Duncan is part. Omar is part. Even those, all the technical men, they are all part. It is not me alone.
And the coach Evans Adoti and Atene Council in Como Asia the church and Nema Asia a special assignment and be assignment and TT Ehonum. Ghana Football Association President Kate Edwin Simon Okraku and Soko PM Ewa Takwagu Manoso na Onoso Nkoma Odija Enyi.
Unbelievable. Beyond my expectations. Today, we have given a firm statement that we have the passion for our sports, we have the love for our GPL, and our GPL is alive. How would you describe the entire competition and the success of the organization of this season's Premier League? Again, I'll start my answer by saying that trust the process. It's important all of us trust the process and believe in the process. What we have seen this season has been an amazing journey. A season that enabled all of us to enjoy football at the highest level of quality. And on the final day, everybody sat on tenterhooks until the last minutes of our game. Ghana football is alive.
And Kurt Edwin Simon Okraku, Ghana Football Association President, Nathan can say, or see, Ubia trust the process. Or they say, it's a shame guso. Only start here the process no trust the cake. Yami at the moment book we pa and then come or the abba. But yanko other fixtures and also it may say P money resource a 2 dra hodom na fishers and yama ACT Edema week 34, which marks the eve and the departure of the 2023 Ghana Premier League. No Emblema, Badwam Sporting Club 3, Tamale City 0, Adriana Stars 1, Beche United 0, Brekum Chelsea 0, Hearts of Oak 0, Kotoko 0, Dreams 0. Real Tamale United 0, King Faisal 1, Gold Stars 0, Accra Lions 0, Great Olympics 2, Instrataman 1, Kotokurias 2, Karela United 3, Legon City 3, and I feel so Samates 1996 2. We any resource it yes PM and ra. Afi yensa enko mu na afi league table no so final league table no send the city any. Mediama Sporting Club having played 34 matches, omunya 60 points, omuna DG League no 2023. Vienna Stars na omuli did but omete man so review, omuda second with 55 points. Bichim United at third with 54 points, Kotoko at fourth with 52 points. Into top 4 clubs na eno Into Obasia there's a Gold Stars at fifth with 49 points. Dreams at 6th with 48 points. Brekum Chelsea at 7th with 47 points. Karela at 8th with 47 points. Legon City at 9th with 46 points. Samates and so that 10th with 46 points. RTU at 11th with 46 points. And Afe so 12th. Accra has 46 points. And so Taman at 13th with 46 points. To Tushima, there's about best 5 teams. We now bracket with 46 points. Until Obamu ewo Great Olympics Akachia or 14th position with 45 points. Nafi Accra Lions at the 15th position with 45 points. And Nafi teams are equal relegation in the Tamale City 42 points. Or the 16th position Ken Faisa at the 17th with 42 points. Nafi Kutukura as the Okoyache Batenra and he confirmed no Kujokura or the 18th position with 26 points. The teams equal relegation at Tamale City, Kumase Ken Faisa and Kutukuras. Bashane Swam say Ken Faisa for say omo nkomo bi ha eno ye protest case omo hwe nim se kwan bia so mudi nkunima on be escape relegation ti se ko ba se Ken Faisa escape relegation dia ene da chi bia na Accra Lions nkranjata jatabru anu be kana no atu no so abesin akokwa bitum ti we ene ye landmark cases da wa ye hwe nim se nyame adoma nyama betia ko Great Olympics for so likely some so betia ke but Great Olympics so e o case bititen kwanche omo so ma edin omo che dan kasa ho ye se ko ba say protest ba am so betwe mo de no na o ma kire mo bre e wosena niam esi ekoso nti we so na megina na me de nenso nkoma me de bre wago kansi so no etimi asihye ne so ma me say nyumaku atachi ne one expert na fije fast mixture sedimo gel and roll on wo mo an atachi boa emena no pe de nkomo etimi jaw me de prof iki wala sagudi catch back open me de of course evidence based presentation etimi jaw Rade entene ma onyo kese you be da so ni emfa nko ba bi ni da so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.